we got another phone. This time it's not from Amazon Renewed. I got eBay certified this time. I bought eBay certified once and it was an okay experience. Now, let's see if this experience is good because if it is, if I can speak English while I actually unbox this thing right here, I will tell you the person I bought it from, the eBay store that I bought it from, after I buy a few more items. Wow, that took me a while to open, but here we go. They gave us a charger, which is nice, and from the look of this charger, you can basically tell what it is. Yes, we have an iPhone. Yet again, we have an iPhone. I just can't stay away from these iPhones. And what iPhone is it? Well, you're not going to believe me when I tell you this. I bought another iPhone 13. I'm pretty sure this is an iPhone 13. It could be a iPhone 12 and I'm just misremembering. I'm pretty sure this is an iPhone 13. I want to get an iPhone 13 so I can mod this one. But yeah, this is the device. How does it look? So in the original listing, it did not show this part right here, but maybe I didn't notice that part. Overall, there is a part right here, if you can see. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. Yeah, you can see the detail more now of its ruinedness. The middle port actually doesn't look that bad at all. So no one was struggling to charge it. But the reason why I got a second one is to mod this with, can't say it because Apple and YouTube would not be happy about me discussing modding. Wow, here we go. I need to actually charge this up, so let's do that. It's charging right now on my bedside, but basically this is an iPhone 12. I did not buy an iPhone 13. Don't get me wrong, I would like another iPhone 13 to mod, but I mean, hey, I can make more content for everyone. The phone was charging since last night, but apparently I somehow decided to unplug it, so it has like no battery. I'm going to set it up like normal. I'm not going to do any like data sharing because I just want to hurry up and get this phone running. I'm also going to set up ID later and whatnot. I got it going now and we're waiting for everything to update. Let's go. One thing I keep forgetting is only like a lot of Android devices have YouTube installed, so I actually have to manually download YouTube on this one. Crazy how the world works. It's technically a competitor, but I mean, let's just watch an old school YouTube format video, if it will work or not. I don't know if I should play this video. It's actually a scary video, apparently, so good job. What's this guy's name? Because oh my gosh, you will literally get every single notification ever sent to you. And why can't I look for my own channel? I had to look for myself in the channel, wow, that's very hard for me to pronounce, but section of the YouTube sphere. Like, I actually have to go and look for it. Come on, YouTube. Like, if you look at the other guy, Tactation, it doesn't make me appear because, oh, I'm not at Tactation, whatever, YouTube. This is a super duper affordable tablet that really is... I think this is actually the first time that the phone is literally super duper tinny just to my ears alone. Maybe it's okay for you guys, but man, that was one of the worst sounding speakers or speaker. There's technically two at the bottom. Does that make it a dual speaker? I thought a dual speaker is like one on top right here. That kind of looks like a speaker. That actually just kind of looks like something you speak into, but yeah, okay. I also should play some games, but I'm going to leave that to the like 1 to 3 day review that I usually do, so thank you. Oh, YouTube's going to be mad at me unless I say this, so please like and subscribe if you like the video. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns.